How's everybody doing? So today I'm going to do a water test. And what I have is, we're off grid and we have a well, but I wanted to maintain a gray water system. So, and because we're in northern Minnesota, it gets 30 below zero. And so I wanted to have water inside the house. We were doing 5 gallons at a time the whole past year. And now I want to set up with a 55-gallon drum. So I have the well, and it'll pump up to the water inlet line. There's my overflow protection, and that will get capped so it faces down. But I just wanted a place for the water to escape once the tank gets filled up. So it'll just shoot off to that direction. And then that comes to this 1.5-inch pipe here and directly into the 55-gallon drum. And from the drum, we reduced it down from a 3/4 down to 1/2 inch. There's a little valve there. And it runs into a sheet flow, like an RV water pump. It's got I think a 45 psi, 45 or 55. It's definitely 45 psi at 3.3 gallons per minute. And then it pumps up, pressurizes the system. And then we have it going over to our water heater, which I do not have hooked up yet. I still need to install a vent. But we got a various temperature ratings we can set it at, and that will feed the kitchen sink. It also comes over, and we will have a water supply for our very small clothes washer. And that clothes washer is going to fit underneath the stand here. And then also a bathtub. Do not have the drain hooked up for that yet. But that should hopefully come this week. And I will catch the water that we use into another 55-gallon drum outside. That'll be on a trailer that I can pull with my ATV or snowmobile in the winter, however I choose, and then disperse that water correctly right away after that. So anyway, I just have everything temped up right now. The electrical connections are just temporary. This will be the outlet for it. It'll be a GFI outlet, just in case something were to go awry. So we'll just turn the valve on, and we'll plug in the pump. Alright, so now it's up to 45 psi. And check, make sure that works. Make sure the laundry and run into the kitchen. Okay, we'll make sure the kitchen line works. So this is how we have been hauling water in the past 12 months. Actually longer than 12 months, even while we're building too. Just 5 gallons at a time. So this will be nice to have it right at the faucet. So our addition is almost done. Just got to do some more interior work, get some walls to finish up. The tongue and groove siding we'll have up there, and then in that all the way down, like triangular pieces.